Welcome to Think Sharp Alley, where sharp minds solve smart problems. Hey champ, today we have got something fresh off the geometry grill. We are heading straight into a parallelogram puzzle that will test how sharp your thinking really is. This one's for class 8 and 9 and the question goes like this. The bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at a point E on the side CD of the parallelogram ABCD. If the length of the side BC be 2 cm, find the length of the side AB. Bisectors, angles, and a side that's just 2 cm long. Sounds simple? Let's see. So, here we have been given the bisectors of angle A and angle B meeting at point E on the side CD. So let's draw the bisectors of angle A and angle B of a parallelogram ABCD. So we have a parallelogram ABCD and let's draw the bisectors. So AE and BE are the respective bisectors of angle A and angle B. We have to find the length of the AB. Let's break it down one smart step at a time. I have already numbered all the angles that I need. Now BC is given to be 2 cm, so this is 2 cm, which means AD will also be 2 cm. So that I need to mention over here. So in parallelogram ABCD, BC is same as AD. So each becomes equal to 2 cm. Why? Because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because AE bisects angle A and angle 3 is also equals to angle 2 because they are interior alternate angles. So if I look into the triangle ADE, we have angle 1 and angle 3 to be equal. Both of them equal to angle 2. So if two angles are equal, it forms an isosceles triangle. So which means the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So over here, if angle 1 and angle 3 becomes equal, that means AD and DE are equal. So AD is equal to DE. I'll write down the reason as you can see. So which means each is equal to 2 cm. Now we will do the same thing in the other portion. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Why? Because BE bisects angle B. Also, angle 6 is equal to angle 5 because they form interior alternate angles. So now we can move to triangle BCE and we can see angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. That means it again forms an isosceles triangle. So which means my BC and CE sides will be equal to 2 cm each. Reason being because sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So now I need to find the length of AB. So AB, which is equal to CD. Again, reason is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. But CD can be broken into DE plus CE and DE is 2 cm plus CE is also 2 cm. So that gives me 4 cm, which is my answer. Now that we have cracked this question wide open, it's your turn to wear the thinking cap. Here's a challenge coming up just for you. Take a deep breath, flex those brain muscles and try this next HOTS problem. Let's see how many of you can crack it before the timer runs out or before someone drops the answer in the comments. So here's your Think Sharp Challenge question of the day. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and smash the like button if this helped you even a bit. And hey, share it with that one friend who always asks for help before exams. Because maths isn't scary when you have got sharp thinking and a sharper alley. You are watching Think Sharp Alley, where minds meet maths and the magic happens. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.